Mechatronic engineering has been around for a decade or so. Engineers were required to combine their mechanical skills with electronics and their software skills. Almost any of the high-tech companies in Australia employ mechatronic engineers because they can do anything. So as an engineer, you will get your hands dirty, you will build things, you will be able to analyze complex systems by the time you actually leave this university.
My name's Aisha and I'm a biomedical engineering student with a focus on mechatronic engineering, and this is a project that I've been working on for my undergraduate thesis project. So this is a human birth simulator. It actuates births so that you can teach physicians and midwives on how to deliver the fetus after it's been incorrectly positioned in the mother's wound. The University of Sydney has so much facilities and so much technology and so much great academic staff that can provide you with the greatest support that you need to build your career, and not just your career but your self-confidence.
My name's Jeremy Randle. I'm a Senior Technical Officer at the University of Sydney and I work for the Australian Centre for Field Robotics. What we have here is a 1/3 scale model J3 Cub. It's about 3.5 metres wingspan. This sort of vehicle is used by us for many different areas of research, and at the moment we're using it for tracking locusts. There's three basic parts to the aircraft. There's an autopilot which sits in the back here, and then we've got the payload in here, which is where the computers and the radio links are. And finally, there's a camera inside which looks straight out the bottom of the aircraft. All our students work on projects. It's one of the areas that we pride ourselves on in the department. The payload was developed by some of our students, and then the students actually come on our operations when we go into the field in South Australia or Queensland and help us operate the aircraft and track the locusts.
My name's David Johnson. I'm a researcher at the ACFR. This is an anechoic chamber. It's designed to reduce reflections and enable us to test radar systems that we develop here. These radar systems are used for perception on the different robots that are built. The area of mechatronics within the University of Sydney has very strong links with industry. For undergraduates, we have a number of different projects where they can actually work on real systems. They're projects that are going on within the department which students can come in and have a real hands-on influence on. They can build something which is going to go out into the world and do something for real.
Hi, I'm Steve Schedding. I'm the director of the Rio Tinto Centre for Mine Automation. It's based here at the University of Sydney. And what we do is look at technologies for the future of the mining industry. What we're doing here is automating a ute, so we call this the autonomous light vehicle. We're actuating the steering so that we can control that with a computer, and here we're actuating the gear shift. So the University of Sydney has a lot of unique opportunities in the field of robotics and mechatronics. Many of our students have gone on to work in some of the largest companies, working in fields like R&D, project management, design and build of large complex mechatronic systems.